When it comes to real-world design work, being able to develop a clear, structured brief is one of the most valuable skills you can have. It sets you up for success before you even begin designing. If you have a real client or a live project you're working on and you need assistance building a design brief, perfect. Use the templates I've provided earlier in this series to help gather and structure all the information you need to build a proper professional brief. However, if you don't have a real client right now and you want to practice, don't worry, you can create a fictional brief. And to do this is easy. Here we can leverage the power of AI to generate a fictional design brief in minutes. So if you want to make a fictional brief, you can undertake 4 key steps. Step 1, define your company or product context. Step 2, customize a full brief prompt. Step 3, generate a full design brief. And step 4, prepare and export. So let's begin with step 1, define your company or product context. Here I have a Google Doc containing a pre-written prompt to help you generate a fictional company or product you can use for a design brief. To view and use this prompt, you can get access from the graphic design ebook that comes as part of this graphic design course. The graphic design ebook contains everything you need to follow along with this course. Not only does the ebook contain all the key information explored in this video, which you can view anytime, anywhere, but it also includes all the download links to all the design resources featured in this course. With the ebook open, click the design resource section in the main index, click download briefs, click design brief AI prompts, and from there you can see a few options. In this instance, click the first link to view the company and product context Google Doc, and this will open the document that you can use. So the first step is to think about the 4 criteria for the project context that I have here at the top in pink. Think about a name for a fictional company, what the fictional company or business does, what do you want the design brief to be for, and what design work is required. Currently, you can see the fictional descriptions I have placed in pink so you can get an idea of what you can create for your example. So here you can do one of 2 things. You can either create your own fictional company or product, or you can use this prompt. If you want to use AI to generate it fast, simply copy and paste the entire prompt into ChatGPT, process, and it will return a response for each part. Easy. Step 2, customize the full brief prompt. So next I have another document, but this time with a thorough pre-written prompt that you can use to generate a full detailed fictional brief in seconds, which you can again paste directly into ChatGPT. This prompt touches on all the key criteria you would need for a detailed brief with instructions on what is required for each part. If you navigate back to the ebook, this time click on the next Google Doc for the full brief prompt. Now initially, I'd recommend copying the text from this doc and pasting it into your own document where you can customize the details. At the top, you can see the project context in pink, which currently contains my example. Now it's just a case of removing my example and replacing it with yours. So either type in your own criteria for each section in pink, or copy the result that you generated for your company or product context and replace mine. And then you'll have your full brief prompt ready. Step 3, generate a full design brief. So once you've made your edits to the full brief prompt, copy and paste the entire prompt into ChatGPT, again, process, and it will return a full response for each section. This should help speed up your entire process to generate information for your fictional brief. Step 4, prepare and export. With your generated result, it's just a case of exporting it as a PDF directly from ChatGPT, or take the results and drop them into one of the InDesign or Illustrator design brief templates included in the ebook as part of this course, as demonstrated in the previous video. You can adjust the layout, tweak the type, and customize the look and feel. Whichever option you choose, once you're done, you'll have a complete fictional design brief ready to print that you can learn from. Easy. This is a great way to save time and simulate the initial process of setting up a design brief and getting comfortable working with the structure. Once you have a fictional brief, you can even take it a step further and respond to your own brief with a full design project for your portfolio. So if you follow the steps and you've created your own design brief, be sure to share your brief in the comments section. If you've uploaded your design brief to Dropbox or Google Drive, be sure to share your link examples in the comments section for us all to see. I'd love to see what you have come up with. This is also a great way for others to learn to get inspired and see different approaches to the same process. So let's see what your ideal design brief would be.